Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some really cool DIYs to share with you. They're simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I have created today, just keep on watching. For my first DIY, I'll be starting off with this glass vase, and it's from Dollar Tree. I'll also be using this black crafter's paint, and I just picked these up at Walmart. If you're new to my channel, welcome! It's wonderful to have you with us today. I'm Mrs. Bobby, also known as your Queen of Glitter, and I upload videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you're notified whenever I upload a video. Next, I'll be using these beautiful bling stickers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I just love the pattern on these. I feel like it's just so fun. So you guys, I really do like working with these stickers. However, they are so hard to line up. So you're going to see some spaces where the sticker doesn't quite line up, and I'm okay with it. I don't love it, but I'm okay with it. Next, I'll be using these bling stickers, and they are from Walmart. So right now I'm going to be using this glass candle stand as well as this silver candle stand that I'm going to be repurposing from a previous DIY. For my next DIY, I'm going to be using these two plates that are from Dollar Tree, and then I'm just going to paint them with this same black paint that I used in the previous DIY. I'll be using this white shelf liner that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Right here you just see me hot gluing down that white shelf liner onto the front of my plate, and for the sake of this video I'm only going to do one side, but you can definitely do the opposite side if you would like. So now I'm just going to take my scissors and cut away the excess liner from around the plate so that I can fold it back and hot glue it down. Right here I'm just placing a small amount of hot glue in the center of the back of one of my plates so that I can glue them down. Now I'm just going to go in with that same bling that I used in the first DIY. You guys, I'm gonna go in with this old candle topper that I had from a previous candle, and I'm also gonna use this previously used paint handle, and I'm just gonna paint that black. And since this was just a small piece, I just put on a glove and finger painted it really quickly. So yeah. So guys, that is it. That is all that I have for you guys today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe as well as hitting the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.